Hey everyone, so today I'll be making my very first video on YouTube. It's on VAM, so let's get started.
So you can start by going to the very first thing, Play Store, and we'll be writing VAM. Yeah, many people have this confusion because there are a lot of VAMs. So this VAM plus one exclamation mark will give you the app directly with this icon. So I've already downloaded it.
Yeah, so before starting, you have to put your number and they'll send you one OTP to verify. There is no login or sign up or anything like that. You have to give basic permissions. So it will take a while to load and you have to give basic GPS and Bluetooth access for it. It might take a while to load. As you can see, the top red thing, it tells you your current VAMs. Mine is 475 because I have not used it very much. And in the starting, you have to go over here, and there's a referral section, somewhat like looking like this. Yeah, referral, the like third last thing, and you have to go there and enter my number, which I'll be putting down in the description. And you have to enter my number in the starting because yeah, you need a previous VAM user who has referred you to get starting 100 coins. Over here we call this at VAMs. I've already done that and it's not showing in my account right now. So after you do that, you'll be getting your startup thing, and um, so it's over here. The main motto is to collect few VAMs. Yeah. So over here you can see for 900 you're getting a pen drive, 8 GB, and there are a lot of things which you can get it for free. And this is absolutely good. There's a hard drive and there's a tab too. There are a lot of other things too, but right now they are not in the stock. Normally there are laptop bags and Amazon gift cards also here, but right now no, it's not in stock. The stock keep refilling within 24 hours, so you can keep checking it. Yeah, so this is how you get your normal points. You can refer someone, it gives you 50 points, and the new user 100 points. And when every day you open the app, you'll be getting 5 points, and you just have to click on any ad and just wait for 10 seconds. Over here at the top right corner, you'll be seeing a countdown. That is your timer for your ad. Yeah, as soon as it complete, you'll be getting like 10 VAM. So you can do like 3 ads, such ads every day, and you can get up to 55 coins per day. So even if you don't refer anyone and just do 55 coins per day, you can get what do you say? You can go back. No, you can go back to your home. So yeah, even if you just do 55 coins every day, within a month you'll be able to buy a lot of products. There are power banks, there is a hard drive, there's a tab, and yeah, there are a lot of things which you can order just for free by doing nothing. And there is one more trick for this. As you can see, as I said, it's an advertising app, so there are few shops which are collaborated with this app. And if you are in Bangalore or in Hyderabad, the shops are there mostly. You can go to the shops and just like Pokestop, they'll give you some 50 points per day. So for those guys, it's very lucky. They just have to just go and just visit the shops, and they don't have to buy anything. If they're buying, they'll be getting additional 100 to 200 points depending on the product. But if it's near to your house, you can just go there and touch and come back, so you'll be getting 100 points every day. So within 6 days you'll be getting 600. So yeah, the pen drive was for 600 to 700 every day. Yeah, so that's it. You can get a lot of free products if you're willing to wait for it for like 1 to 2 weeks, or probably a bigger product like a tab. It might take a month, but you'll be getting the product eventually. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe if you like the video. And if you have any doubts, you can comment. And most important thing, don't forget to go to the referrer section and put my number in the starting. So you'll be getting 100 startup. And if you have any doubts, kindly comment. Thank you.